Alright guys, this is board Kiat. This Picanto is 2013 and 14 model. Right guys, this handle, it's broken here, see? It's missing. That one there, handle is missing and it's broken. So I want to change this switch assembly. And then now you cannot open the door because it's locked, and then the switch is broken there. So what you're gonna do first is to open inside the trunk. So first just open this door, right, back door, and move this back seat, and this piece in here, sorry, this piece here is need to be removed. This one, right? So that one there, the screw, Phillips screw, need to be removed, that one. Okay, right, screw here. So I need to pull hard. Okay, it's out now. And to reopen this door is just this piece. See, need to move it like that. So, and then push up the whole trunk. Okay. Alright, see, it's open now. See that one there? It's pulling up. Okay guys, it's out now. So first is you need to disconnect this wire connector for the door switch. This piece like that, push up, you have a connector in there, like a lock on it. So push like that, and this clip, and also see this one here, this piece is pop inside. So, and then also it's corroded, so need to be changed, this one. Yeah, I see. And then see, it's new, it did not click anymore, like clicking sound, or you feel clicking in the switch. It's not working properly, so we change that one. And you're gonna remove the whole handle, this one here, change it. Okay, and remove these 3 nuts, 1, 2, and the 3 nuts. Okay, gonna remove that one. Alright guys, remove these 3 nuts. Okay, 3 nuts is out now. So what you're gonna do is push up the bolt from the one that the nut that you remove. And see, this piece here, that piece need to be changed. Okay, I need to change that one. Okay, you see, what you need to remove first is these 2 screws. Remove that piece. I'm gonna show you guys. You see this one, the 2 screws. And pop in like that. Okay, like that. And then the new switch. Alright guys, and then this is the new parts on it, but the problem here are different colors, right? So I'm gonna use this old handle housing, because I just save this one to give to the customers, just in case you want to paint it for a white color. But for now is we just remove the switch, this switch assembly. Take this out. Alright, okay, so save this one, give to the customers if you want to paint it, because it's black. So, and then it's just straight plastic, it's no paint on it. So need to be sent to the body shop Deshan he want to change or paint it, but for now is he don't want to, customer he don't want to replace the part or the paint the housing, so just change the switch. This is the old piece. See the rubber will be, you know, that's why the water or moisture inside it damaged the switch. This piece, see, this one is just like that, but because of the moisture came in, because the rubber will be, you know, it's gone, so the switch it's get moist and then damage on it. See, compared to this new one, see, so this is the new one. Fit this new one to the old housing like that, easy to do it also. Just put it back the same what you done and put the new screws. Alright, yeah, all in now. It's okay now. Okay, so we need to put it back, install back. So okay, put it back. Okay, and put the three nuts, not too tight, because okay, all done, and then put it back the connectors. Straight, and next is the cover, this cover. Alright, and alright, it's on the screw. Okay, alright. And then put it back these seats. Other side also. Put it back the seats. Okay, go straight. Yeah, it's locked. Alright, we're all done. Yeah, see, just in it. Yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna change this one also. Okay, the wiper arm assembly, but that's not the one I show you to how to fix the trunk handle switch. Okay, all done. Go back all the seats sitting now. Okay. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and likes my videos. Okay guys, thank you, bye.